2023 Mazda CX-30. With less than 19,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows. Take home the car of your dreams today.